Guys, I work today and I literally feel like I could cry. So sore. I also don't want it like this. Like, of course I'm meant to leave the house today. I actually have stuff to do, places to go, people to see. So sore. I'm gonna put a tea bag on it now. I was really hoping I'd wake up and it would be like normal. Finished our swim. Whoa! Yeah. Nicer now. So nice. So I'm back now from our shower. From our swim. I feel great. It was actually so nice, even though it was so cold when I was actually in there. Like, honestly, the pins and needles were so bad. I felt like I was being stabbed. Like, the pain of it was unbearable. It was so bad. But we lasted for like probably like fucking 3 minutes or something in there. So yeah, it was good. Like, I feel set for the day. I feel great. I'm gonna have a shower and wash my hair and everything in a bit. I've just had breakfast. Actually, I went to the chemist on the way home. My eye doesn't look too bad. Like, the swelling went down so much with the tea bag, but yeah, I just need to get new drops because the ones that I had weren't new and they go out like date after 28 days, and apparently they don't always work. So I also wanted to show someone in the chemist just to make sure, like, I didn't need to go to the doctor with it, if you get me. But she was like, I'll just give you more drops and hopefully it'll clear up. So yeah, that's where we are. I'm contemplating doing a bit of editing now. I think I probably should, instead of watching YouTube. But I also need to do speedy bit of half an hour of speedy editing, and then I'll go and get ready and stuff, because me and Connor are going shopping. He's off really early today. He's off at 11:30, so I'm gonna meet him. No, he's off at 11, so I'm gonna meet him at his at like 11:30, and then we're gonna go shopping. I need to bring stuff back to Penny's, and I need to get a few bits and to finish off a few gifts. I think I'll probably have to go tomorrow as well, but yeah. And then we're going out for dinner. I think I already told you that. I just did. I'm so stupid. I only changed these sheets the other fucking day. I picked up my cup of tea. Because I thought it was empty. I was just double checking it was empty, but of course there was some in the end of it. Oh, fucking spilled here. I'm so upset. Hey guys, so I'm ready to go. I'm not bothered to wear makeup because of my eye, and to be honest, I don't have time anyway, so I'm just wearing a bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Lip Bath in Refresh Rose. It's so nice. So moisturising as well, because my lips are so dry. I'm so casual today. I want to be comfy. So I'm wearing these new jeans that I got in Zara, and then like I don't really like this outfit. I won't lie. I'm like, will I just throw on a black jumper? I can't decide. And then I'm just wearing trainers. These jeans are so comfortable though, they're so stretchy. Probably a bit too big, but getting the sizes right from Zara is so hard. Okay, so I changed again because I feel like a crop jumper is just so much more flattering with these kind of jeans on me, even though they don't look flattering like that either to me right now. Nothing looks flattering on me, I feel like. Because of the shoes. Okay, I'm just gonna wear it because I literally cannot be arsed. I'm gonna have a big coat on anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm obsessed with this coat. It's from Monkey. I think it's the white socks throwing me off, like they're a bit too much. I don't know. No, I'm just gonna keep them on, it's fine. I'm just overthinking it now and I'm sweating. I hope it's cold outside because I don't want to have to take my jacket off and carry it. Right, we better get going. Oh, I used to live for this song. I'm coming home straight after work, so you can let me out to yourself. I'm listening to some throwbacks today. Work it, make it, do it, makes us all better, faster, stronger. Yeah, I don't know. buying alcohol to give this presents. Right. Connor's going to get a trolley because we literally can't carry it. So thirsty after that. So thirsty after that. My face is so sweaty from the mask. Ugh.
If I were you, I shouldn't get too used to being back. In fact, I mightn't bother unpacking at all.
How much were they?
6. Hey guys, so I'm here to end the vlog. I haven't done this in ages. I'm actually really proud of myself. I've remembered to end like all of the Vlogmases, but I had a bit of like a whirlwind after this, and we got the keys to our house the next morning. Was it? I don't even know. Oh, I'm confused. But anyway, in the next video you will see us going to our house and our house tour. Finally, I had loads of editing to catch up on, and like it didn't really make sense if I uploaded it first, so I just wanted to finish out the last few Vlogmas videos. This is the last like Vlogmas one, but I did vlog a good bit the first few days in the house and stuff, so make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss them, because you obviously just can't miss them. Like, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye.